Hello everyone, this is Amit Goswami, consciousness researcher, quantum physicist, and a quantum activist. Arjuna says in the Bhagavad Gita to Krishna that I see my mind is very fickle. And so do I experience my mind as very fickle. So if mind is by nature very fickle, how do I ever engage with creativity? Please tell me. Yeah, this is a very good question. Mind is very fickle, especially today, because people get too much information processing and increase the fickleness of the mind by that process. How do we cure this disease? This is why all those beginning preparations. Remember, we have to bring inspiration in our life. Inspiration is essential. If inspiration comes, curiosity can come from it. If inspiration comes, then we can intend. We can intend because we are now curious. What can I do that I feel so inspired to change? How do I make this change then? Curiosity. And becomes a burning question. Can I change? Can I change? When that burning question occurs, then intuition starts coming and we engage the creative process. There is, of course, traditionally also suffering that can also give us intention. We suffer so much. We suffer so much. Like for me, suffering was the entry point. I was so unhappy. So that's another entry point. The inspiration that your utter unhappiness gives you. It is also a form of inspiration. I was inspired by a thought, an intuitive thought that came that told me the right question to ask. Why do I live this way? And immediately the conviction came that I don't have to. That was the inspiration. So invariably, the suffering comes, and at some point, the suffering becomes so unbearable that you get an intuition. You get an intuition that suffering can end. That's the important intuition, that there is an end of suffering. There is an end of suffering. Suffering has come, but the intuition says that there is an end of suffering. If we engage with suffering and seek for an answer, I'll find it. I'll find my way back to happiness. Okay?